Hey guys, welcome back. So what I have for you guys today is my Inspo box. You guys know that this is one of the boxes that I love. So this is how it comes. It's just like a regular box, and then inside it looks like this, and I'm super excited because you guys know I love this box. So this box never brings like a little card or anything like that, but I have to go online so I can see what is inside. Okay guys, so this is a bi-monthly subscription. So this is the October and November box that we're getting here. And the first thing in this box are a gourmet popcorn. This is funny. This is buttered up Popcornopolis. It says it's gluten-free, and this retails for $2. Let's taste it and see what's up. I had never gotten food on this box before, so just your typical popcorn. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on now. Next thing in here is from Pure Aura, and this is paper cloud cleanser. This is $5, and this is premium melting cleansing foam and makeup remover, 2-in-1 for dry skin. Well, I don't have dry skin, but what it says is place one sheet on the palm of your hand and a little bit of water until fully melted. Massage onto face, rinse with lukewarm water, and that should remove your makeup. So that's nice. Next thing in here is a mask from Glow, and let's see if this is on here. Jocelyn is the name of the brand, and this is a glow sheet mask. And this retails for $3. All right, next thing in here is this big long scarf, apparently. And this is from Luxury Apparel, and this retails for $20. Let's open it up so we can see. So this is what it looks like. It has all these purpley, red, black, cream color, and it has all this fringe on the bottom. All right. Next thing in here is from Loja, and this is a micro brow tattoo pen, and this is $19 is what it retails for. I'm not gonna use this. This is like an eyeliner pen, and you guys know that I never use that. The last two items in here are an eyeshadow palette, and this one is from Hollywood. Is it Hollywood? Ibla. And it is the Hollywood Iconic Beauty Los Angeles palette. This retails for $24. And it has a mirror up here, and look at how pretty these colors are. All palettes that I've been seeing lately have like really fallish type colors. And those are the colors. Very pretty. I love them. Very, very nice. And then the last thing in here, guys, is a crossbody bag. And this is the Rosetti or Kim Rogers Premium Crossbody Bag. So this is what it looks like. And this retails for $42. And they had different colors. I'm gonna show you the colors now. I would have loved to have gotten that cream and like tan colored one there. Do you see it? I would have loved that one. That's pretty. This one's like a grayish, like a kind of like dark gray color. So it has your pocket in the front, another zippered pocket in here, and then it has your big pocket in the middle. It looks really spacious. So yeah, guys, this was a great box as well. Let me know what you guys thought of this October and November box. I definitely love this subscription. I love it so much. Like, you never know what kind of things you're gonna get, and it's always like amazing things. So I really, really love this box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys thought. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.